Hello students, how are you? At this crucial moment of pandemic, coronavirus and COVID-19, we are facing very big challenges, and the government adopted the 3T. Means 3T means tracing, testing and treatment. Like 3T, I have adopted for the student 3D. 3D means student discipline, devotion and dedications. If you want to be success in your life, you always follow 3D. From the last 3 months I have seen that in our class many students were not serious about their study. Really it's a very shameful for all of us. Why the students are not interested to carry on their study? At the month of April, I have told you that this is a very crucial moment for the class 12 students, and I have tried my best to facilitate the student by the online classes about the very important aspects of economics, and no doubt that girls has done a very good job, especially Anushka and Pragati. Tanu also and other Divya also done very well. But my question is that why the boys are not trying to understand these critical situations? They always try to be wasting their time. I am saying this because they have not devoted their time for their study. Student, this is not good. Because if you kill the time always kill you. Online classes are the base of our teaching in this crucial moment of COVID-19. And honestly, I have tried my best to facilitate you by these online classes. I think so that some students have some problem that they have not internet connection, they have not this Android phone, they have not the other facilities in the remote area. But the student who have this type of facilities and they are not trying to be carry on their study, big question for the success in their life. Because students, if you are not serious toward your study, how can the success will come? Class 12 syllabus is very interesting and very valuable for you, for your futures. Because in economics, I think that in CBSE syllabus, all the important aspect touched, which always facilitate the students in their future life. But so many times I have tried my best to summarize them the success mantra, but student not try to be understand. So student, please try to understand the importance of time, carry on your study, discipline life, devotion and dedication. These are the pillar of success. If you want to be success in your life, always adopted these 3D. So I hope that in future you will try your best for trying to facilitate yourself by the study. My best wishes always with you. Thank you very much. I think that you are enjoying your life along with your parents. Be safe, stay home and carry on your study. Thank you very much. Have a great day.